Can we have the house lights down, please? Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 2, from Sheffield, East Midlands, and Tuxedo Junction, Andrew, Zach, Simon, Richard, the Locksmiths!
One, two, three. I know, I love you, babe. Think about you now each and every day. And when I'm gone so far away, no one thing I can say. One thing I must say. I love the East, I love the West. There's no North and South, they're both the best. But I only want to go there as a guest. 'Cause I love being here with you. I love the sea, I love the shore, I love the rocks, and what is more, with you there, there'd never be a bore. 'Cause I love being here with you. Just singing in the shower, laughing by the hour. My life is such a breezy game. Love all kinds of weather, long as we're together. Oh, I love to hear you say my name. I love good wine, fine cuisine, candlelight. I love the scene, but baby, if you know just what I mean, I love being here with you. I love with you. I'm in love, and when I'm all alone, I know I want you so much more than the sun and the sky up above. I love it, I love it, how I love being here with you. I bet us singing, Basie's band is swaying. They got something else, you know. They really play it, they know how to say it. They just wind it up and let it go. Wind it up and let it go. I love the thrill of ringing chords, waiting for the applause. But baby, don't you worry, 'cause I'm still yours. I love being here with you. With you, the only one I love. My baby, well, I love it, I love it, 'cause being with you is what I love. That's what